Hey everyone, I'm Rick, and welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a drone that combines professional-grade cameras, advanced safety features, and long flight times for epic aerial footage without the bulk of larger models, then get pumped because today we're reviewing the DJI Air 3S drone. This mid-range powerhouse features dual cameras with a 1-inch main sensor for 4K 120 frames per second slow-motion video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safe flying, up to 46 minutes of flight time, 20-kilometer 04 transmission for reliable control, ActiveTrack 360-degree for intelligent subject following, RockSteady 3.0 stabilization for smooth shots, and a compact foldable design under 500 grams. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a drone that's versatile for photography, videography, or mapping with high-quality 4K footage and smart flight modes, this is the one that'll take your content to new heights. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the DJI Air 3S drone. This drone has a lightweight, foldable design weighing just 595 grams, making it portable and easy to carry in a backpack. The dual camera system includes a 1-inch CMOS main camera for 50 megapixel photos and 4K video at 120 frames per second, plus a 70mm telephoto camera for 3 times optical zoom and detailed distant shots. Video capabilities include 10-bit HLG and D-Log-M for professional color grading, with RockSteady 3.0 and HorizonSteady for ultra-smooth footage, even in windy conditions or during aggressive maneuvers. Flight time is an impressive 46 minutes per battery, with the Fly More combo including 3 batteries and a charging hub for extended sessions. Transmission is via O4 technology for a 20-kilometer range with 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second, ensuring low latency. Safety is top-notch with omnidirectional obstacle sensing using 6 vision sensors for all-around avoidance, APAS 5.0 for automatic obstacle bypassing, and automatic return to home on low battery or lost signal. Smart modes like ActiveTrack 360-degree follow subjects intelligently from any angle. MasterShots create edited videos automatically, and Quick Transfer lets you download files wirelessly to your phone. The DJI Fly app offers intuitive controls, real-time editing tools, and community sharing. It's wind-resistant up to 12 meters per second, and setup is quick. Unfold, pair with the RCN2 remote or app, calibrate, and fly. Priced around $800 for the combo kit, it's built durable with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are soaring. Exceptional dual camera 4K video with zoom and stabilization that rivals higher-end models. Advanced omnidirectional sensing for confident, safe flying. Long 46-minute battery for more airtime. Reliable 20-kilometer range and low latency transmission. Smart modes like ActiveTrack for effortless tracking shots, and a compact design that's easy to transport. Users rave about the video quality for professional use, the safety in crowded areas, and the value for mid-range performance. On the con side, the telephoto camera is limited to 3 times zoom without digital extension quality drop. No side SD card slot, so storage is internal only. The app can be overwhelming for absolute beginners, and wind resistance has limits in very strong gusts. A few mention the remote lacks a built-in screen, but overall, the pros dominate for versatile users. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the DJI Air 3S drone if you need a balance of portability and pro features. And the pros like 4K video, safety sensing, and smart modes make sense for your flying style. It's perfect for photographers, vloggers, or hobbyists. Before we wrap, if these reviews get you airborne, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who loves drones, or subscribe for more. See you next time.